Feels so good. Namaste. I'm Mini and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are going to make everyone's favorite vegan chili cheese fries, and we are going to prepare everything from scratch: the fries, the chili and the cheese sauce. So let's get started. Starting with the vegan cheese sauce, to a pan add 2 teaspoons of oil. Then add 4 finely chopped garlic cloves. Cook the garlic over low heat for 2 minutes. Once the garlic is cooked, add 1 medium sliced onion. Cook the onion till it's transparent. Once the onion is done, add 2 medium roughly chopped carrots, 2 medium roughly chopped potatoes. Give it a mix and let it cook for 2 minutes. Now add 2 bowls of water to the pan, as much as to submerge them under the water. Cover the bowl and cook till the vegetables are completely cooked and become soft. Check the progress of the vegetables in between. It took me around 15 minutes to get them nice and soft. Once done, turn off the heat and let them cool down. After that, add the vegetables without the water to the blender. Then add 4 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/3 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of salt or salt as per taste. Blend everything to make a smooth paste. The vegetables will have the moisture, so I didn't add any additional water. The cheese sauce is ready and it tastes incredible. You have got to try this. Step number 2, time to prepare the vegan chili. To a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Then add 5 finely chopped garlic cloves. Cook them over low heat for 2 minutes. Once the garlic is cooked, add 1 medium finely chopped onion. Cook the onion over low or medium heat till it's golden brown. The onion is now nice and golden brown. Then add 1 finely chopped small bell pepper, 1 large chili or 2 small chilies. Cook for a minute. Now it's time to add the spices. Add 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Make sure that the heat is set to low so the spices don't burn. Cook them for 2 minutes over low heat. Then add 2 medium finely chopped tomatoes, or you can use tomato puree as well. Add half teaspoon of salt or salt as per taste. Mix everything and let the tomatoes cook entirely. Then add the boiled black beans and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, add some water as per the thickness you need in the chili. I don't like the chili to be watery, so I usually add less water. Let this simmer over low or medium heat for 10 minutes. Once the chili is nice and thick, add some coriander leaves. Give it a nice mix. The vegan chili is ready. Now it's time to prepare the fries. Take 2 large potatoes, slice them as per the size and thickness you need in the fries. I'm trying my best to cut them equally, but it's alright. There you go. The potato slices are all done to get spiced up. Place all the sliced potatoes in the bowl and then add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of nutritional yeast. Mix everything well together. Place the fries on the oven grill or directly on the baking tray. Bake for 45 minutes over 180 degrees Celsius. The crunchy and delicious oven-baked potato fries are ready. You can also air fry them over 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. These are the air fried fries and they are definitely more crunchier than the oven baked fries. I'm making space for the chili in the bowl. Add it with the fries. The chili is so yummy and it goes perfectly with the fries. Then I'm adding some vegan cheese sauce. You have got to try this cheese sauce recipe as you can prepare this in a big batch and use it in so many different ways, plus it's healthy. And some vegan mayonnaise, which is entirely optional. Then add some coriander leaves, spring onion greens or anything green just to make it look pretty. And there you go guys, the vegan chili cheese fries are ready. See how easy it is to prepare these vegan chili cheese fries? I'll give you the taste test. This is so good. Yummy. So if you like today's recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Foodotomic. As usual, I have listed all the equipments and ingredients I use in the description section. You can find the written recipe of this video on my website foodotomic.com. If you're still looking for more vegan videos, check out this playlist right here. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.